How to make money online. Number 1 on our list is start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is the simplest way of all and needs no investment. YouTube gets almost 5 billion video views per day, which proves its power on the internet. Felix Jelberg, the owner of PewDiePie, a YouTube account, has earned $13 million in 2019 from running a single YouTube channel. You too can see such success if you capitalize on the opportunity that YouTube provides us currently. Suitable for people who love to create videos, like to talk on a video, shoot documentaries, or short films. Skills required. Ability to create a video using software tools or record a video using your mobile phone or camcorder. Time required for starting a YouTube channel. Virtually you can start within minutes. You will just have to visit youtube.com, create a channel, and upload videos. Tips. 1. Create a YouTube channel around a specific theme such as humor, tutorial, recipe, etc. Don't just go out create any random unrelated videos channel. For example, if you love gadgets, you can create a gadget review channel where you review the latest gadgets and help people to decide whether it's the right choice for them. 2. Select a theme in which you are really interested. Analyze other videos related to your topic, see how many views those videos get. It will help you to get an overview of how many people are interested in your theme. 3. Generally, the more the views, more beneficial the theme is, as more people are searching for it. 4. Check out if there's any concept missing in the currently existing videos related to your theme. You can cover these concepts in your videos to fetch more views. 5. Give your best to engage with your audience. Study the comments you get on your videos, learn the hidden expectations that your audience has from you. 6. Try to find out what they like about your videos and what they don't. Study which videos get the highest retention rate and find the reasons behind them. 7. Spy on your competitors and try to model the things that are working for them. But never try to copy them, always maintain your uniqueness. 8. Always try to improvise each new video from the last one, so when you look at your first videos after a few months, you should think, "Ah, how bad I was earlier." That's a good sign, it shows that you've improved. 9. Experiment, experiment, and experiment. Never fear to try something new and see how it works. Experiments are the only way where you can find new and exciting stuff that can catapult you way ahead of your competitors. 10. Finally, try to collaborate with other YouTubers who are doing similar work. Learn their strategies and mindset. Working together can do wonders for your channel. 11. Have fun. Do the things that you love and enjoy your life. How to monetize. The general rule for monetization on YouTube is straightforward. More views your videos get, more money you'll earn. You'll have to enable the monetize option in your YouTube channel settings. It's very simple. Subscribe to this channel to keep up with us.